Hello, my YouTube family. I still go by the name Brad Bosco Jr. on Boss One Media. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. In today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to disable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Why you don't have to use two-factor authentication. One, if you lose your phone number, you can't get access to your account, because anytime you try to log in, Instagram will send you additional code for you to approve that you are the original account owner. If if you don't like using it again, I'm going to show you or teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on Instagram. So without wasting much time, you type in www.instagram.com. You come to your profile. Yes, as you open like this, you hit on your profile icon on the right corner here. Then you choose settings. You scroll down to privacy and securities. You scroll down to two-factor authentication. Edit two-factor authentication settings. So you hit on it, then you just on boss use text message, just unbox it like this. It was turning off two-factor authentication means you won't need to enter a security code when you are logging. Yes, just turn it off. Yes, you just turn it off. Come back to your profile like this. Just log out. Yeah, log in again. No need for you to enter additional security code. No, just like that. So that's all for today's episode. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have already not. Please don't forget to subscribe to Boss One Media Production. Thank you for your time.